As I said, I'm a product of television. When I was a
Yes.
student myself, I did the shows on TV.
Yeah.
They've spread the spirit of Bollywood to all parts of the world. AI coming in,
Yes.
you might even have just a vision in front of you.
It's 25 years of IFA and it's happening in Jaipur, very own India's Jaipur. And joining us today is a very special guest. So you're here. Thank you so much for joining us at IFA's Silver Jubilee celebration.
Yes.
And everybody is excited. The fact that it's happening in Jaipur even adds a lot more excitement to it. How excited are you for the event and what are those three things that you're absolutely looking forward to?
No, even I would like to congratulate IFA on being brand ambassadors of Hindi film industry. Or if I can use the word Bollywood for the last 25 years. They've spread the spirit of Bollywood to all parts of the world, essentially.
Yes.
And I'm very happy to be in Jaipur. I've been here several times. It's a great city. It's a very film-friendly population here. They respond well to our cinema. And I have a lot of friends also in Jaipur. So it's always a pleasure to come back here
Yes.
and be a part of this.
You know, IFA is always about celebration of brilliance when it comes to acting, production, direction, different aspects of filmmaking. What are those projects that you've absolutely lauded in the last 1 year? You know, those that have been nominated at IFA. Are there any particular performances that were absolutely impeccable for you as an actor?
All of them. I think if I'm not being too patronizing, I'd like to begin with my old show,
Yes.
Freedom at Midnight,
Yes.
on Sony Live, which I think was very good. Then just going back chronologically, I See 814 I liked.
Yes,
That was very good. Yeah, I liked the performances there. I liked the whole. Then Hira Mandi I liked. Then Top of My Head, which is the other. I haven't seen much of Panchayat, but I've seen the first season, which was very good. I believe the spirit goes on in the second and third.
Yes.
So there's a lot of good content coming through these channels and platforms, which is
Right.
very good for the audience.
Right. You know, when we talk about OTT, there is this absolute experimentation in terms of content, in terms of performances, something that we thought that, movies really did not sort of, help the actors with. Are you happy that OTT is now sort of, giving a space to the actors that they always wanted and maybe sometimes, movies and bigger production houses won't be able to do justice to?
I think actors always had that space. It was just getting talent meeting an opportunity.
Yeah.
And if I have to just answer a question here, there are many more opportunities for actors to display their wares. I started off on television.
Yes.
There, TV gave us the opportunity. It was Doordarshan. Then we had the whole private channels which came out, and I thought the world is going to end after that. Nothing beyond that. But now
Yes.
I'm in the OTT generation. So it keeps evolving and keeps changing, and who knows what next? Maybe,
Right.
as I said earlier, everything will be now be watched on a digital screen, palm of your hand. Maybe with AI coming in,
Yes.
you might even have just a vision in front of you. So it's evolving and changing very rapidly. And my biggest struggle is to keep pace with it and be relevant
Right.
on all platforms.
Right. And just my last question, you just talked about Doordarshan.
Yeah.
That we would want you to talk about. Yeah.
People still remember the
Yes. Yes.
That part.
Yes.
All the Ramayans have come in the
Yes.
world, but you remember the Ramayana of
Yes.
Doordarshan. As I said, I'm a product of television. When I
Yes.
was a student myself, I did the shows on TV.
Yeah.
They were finite. The stories were unique. The makers were very creative. There were no casting directors. You were casted purely on the basis of what the director had seen your work and on instinct, and it worked. So many great talents were there, and which are still there since the last 25, 30 years. So good old Doordarshan, I think, silently paved the way for all what has happened later on.
What's happened, right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining
Thanks.
us today. And
Thank you.
we want to wish you
Thanks.
success.
Thank you.